Hi everyone, welcome to another maths revision with Jov. In the last video we had a look at the first part of this question about transforming a trig expression into a different form. And now for the second part it says it wants us to find the two smallest positive values of t for which p is moving in either direction at a speed of 3 meters per second. So the question wants us to find the two smallest positive values of t such that v is 3 and it can move in either direction, which means v can be either 3 or minus 3. So first case, we'll have a look at when v equals 3. So we get 3 equals 13 cos t minus 0.3948. So that must mean that I'm going to put everything on the other side. So cos of t minus 0.3948 is equal to 3 over 13. Now, I want to find t, so I need to get t on its own, which means that t equals the arc cos of 3 over 13 plus, because I'm going to move this onto the other side, plus 0.3948. So I'm going to put that into the calculator. So you get t equals 1.733. So that's one possible value. Now another possible value is if we have a look at the arc cos function, and we know that when you take away this value from 2 pi, we actually get another possible solution, because the way the cos graph works, if you have a look at the cos graph, it looks something like this, where this is 0 and this is 2 pi over it. And if we have a value, say here, we want to have a look at another value, another possible value, it's going to be over here somewhere. It's going to be this distance subtracted from 2 pi. So we can actually go ahead and work that out. So we get t equals 2 pi minus arc cos of 3 over 13 plus 0.3948. And this should give us another answer. So I'll put that into the calculator. You get 2 pi, and this is 5.340. And so that is another possible value of t. We might not need that because there might be a smaller one coming up. We could now have a look at what happens when v equals minus 3. So we're going to have minus 3 is equal to 13 cos t minus 0.3948, which means that, or I'll skip a couple of steps. So we get that t is equal to the arc cos, there you go, of minus 3 over 13 plus 0.3948. We're literally just changing the 3 for a minus 3 here. And if I put this into the calculator, we get is 2.198. And then similarly, t can also equal 2 pi minus arc cos of minus 3/13 plus 0.3948, which comes out as 4.874. So our two smallest values are t equals 1.733 and t equals 2.198. And that is our final answer, and I hope that helps.